Oh yes, guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Vitaly the Being Crypto Show. And where is the bull market? Where is the alt season? Where are the prices going up? They are not. We're seeing the consumer price index published today, the CPI, which is higher than expected. That it caused once again the market to respond, to react, and the price to go down. So, what's happening right now in the market? Are we actually going to see some great news? That's what we're gonna discover today. So, buckle up because a lot of great things are happening behind the scenes. So, just as we were about to go and create a good day on Bitcoin and altcoins, we had in a minute. If you actually look at the minute chart, this is it. From $96,000, it went to $95,000 in a matter of 1 minute, and then continued going down before kind of reclaiming a little bit the range. The same is on Ethereum and on other altcoins. Look, from $2,660 to $2,594, and this is because of the inflation. The CPI inflation was 3% in January. The prices are going up, inflation getting worse. And why do we should care about inflation? What does have the difference? Well, it's very simple. If we have inflation, then the chances are that the Federal Reserve is going to lower interest rate is going down. In fact, the market is not expecting the interest rate to go down anymore. And if the interest rate is not going to go down this year, or very slightly, maybe by the end of the year, then where is the money is going to come from? More easy borrowing, you know, where it's going to come? So that's the problem that the market is not seeing. And Jerome Powell is actually saying that we are not going to have quantitative easing, right? We're not going to have quantitative easing. We're not going to pump and stimulate the economy. That is what Jerome Powell is saying. So because of that, the market is reacting. And if you look technically, Bitcoin is still at the range. It's still at the range between 92,000 and 108,000. We're still testing this trend line as support. I mean, look, 4 days of Bitcoin without any change. Still test. I mean, technically, nothing really changed for Bitcoin. Still in the range, still clogging away, moving along. But altcoins, of course, are in a pretty bad shape. Pretty bad shape. Meme coins, a lot of meme coins are down 80-90%. We're seeing altcoins down from the high 60-70-80%. And if you look at the total 2, which is the measure of the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin, we are seeing here a retest of this support that we broke down in November. So we just retested it. Currently in the middle, we're still in the month of February. Is not even half of the months is here. So we can, if we close the months over here at 1.3 trillion, 1.4 trillion, then it's going to be all right. We can continue climbing up. But if we're going to go down back to 1 trillion, it's not going to be good. It's not going to be good at all. So too early to tell right now. But I do want to share with you some awesome news. First of all, BlackRock has classified Bitcoin as a risk-off asset, which is great for mainstream adoption, right? What does it mean? A risk on and a risk off. Okay, a risk off is global, decentralized, and non-sovereign asset that could serve as a hedge against increasing global disorder. Okay, and risk on is venture capital, is equities, it's basically it's more risky. It's more risky. So that's a good thing for Bitcoin particularly. We have the biggest U.S. bank, Goldman Sachs, was $2.8 trillion, just bought $450 million in Ethereum ETF. So banks are coming for your Ethereum. They're coming, they're buying. Okay, this is incredibly bullish for Ethereum. which has not been doing much, you know, not been doing much over the since mid-December. From $4,000 went to 2,150, currently trading at $2,600. But Ethereum season is around the corner. I believe it's gonna come. We have one more push to the upside, but of course, $4,000 is a pretty strong resistance over here. Pretty strong resistance. Okay, so we're seeing weekly RSI breakouts are among the most bullish and reliable signals. Sentiment is always at its lower point when they happen. This signal is not confirmed yet, but we may be close for the breakout for the next leg to the upside. Okay, might be coming over there. ARK Invest Katie Wood says the odds for $1.5 million bull case prediction has gone up due to the institutionalization of Bitcoin. So that's the bull case for Bitcoin, $1.5 million, which is great. Donald Trump, of course, wants to lower the interest rates. So that's a good thing. Yeah, he wants to push Jerome Powell for lowering the interest rate, but we're gonna see if actually the Federal Reserve is going to say yes, we're gonna lower the interest rate. If it's gonna happen, of course, it's gonna be a big thing. We see Federal Reserve Chair Powell says he's stuck at the growing number of cases of Bitcoin crypto firms that were debanked, and he's determined to take a fresh look at it. So he's being grilled and confronted by the Senator Cynthia Lummis. What times to be alive, right? To put it into discussion back in Bitcoin. We've come a long way. Altcoin Golden Cross just flashed. That's on the weekly scale. Last time we did it, it was 2021, a 10x rally. So are you positioned now? I mean, it's looking very bullish actually. This golden cross is looking very bullish for the altcoins. So it's do or die right now for the altcoins. Solana ETF is likely to be coming. The Franklin Templeton, it's a huge firm, registered Solana Trust in Delaware. So that's great for Solana. We see Solana also overtaking Ethereum, grew the market share from 7% to 70% in 1 year, right? Completely, because it's cheaper, it's more user friendly, etc. But recently Ethereum gas prices also went down to as low as 4 cents. Okay, Hong Kong confirms now Bitcoin Ether can be used to prove wealth for investment visas, which is great for adoption, of course. Yeah, this is what Trump wants just higher interest rate. We have Japan cuts crypto tax from 55% to 20%. Bullish. Oklahoma strategic Bitcoin reserve bill just passed out of the committee, which is again a great thing. New Solana ETF filings by 21 shares, Bitwise, Canary, and Van Eck has been all acknowledged by the SEC. So Solana, big bet on Solana. That the ETF is gonna influx so much more money into Solana. Goldman Sachs is of course buying $1.6 billion in Bitcoin ETF. They're buying also Ethereum as well, right? Buying a lot of Ethereum. $450 million in Ethereum ETF. So they are buying. They are buying a lot. Yes. So that's what's shaking the market right now. World Liberty Financial buys $5 million in Ethereum amid market dip. Solana ETF is most likely to be coming. We have 21 US states are eyeing bills for strategic Bitcoin reserve. Of course, it's very bullish. More Bitcoin states are for this, for strategic Bitcoin reserve, the better. So we're on the way. We are on the way, on the road for that. and the altcoin season, right? The altcoin season, the others versus BTC, the others versus BTC. Like in February 2017, February 2021, when they explode, it explode very, very big. So we just had an altcoins, a retest of the previous highs, okay? And we are ready to be positioned to be moving further. So the situation right now is still kind of shaky. The market is kind of fearful, but nobody canceled the bull market this year. So I don't know. We kind of like right now at a point where this Bitcoin strategic reserve something this needs to like come into market and supply shock, like literally more demand. There's less Bitcoin to be available in OTC. They'll have to go in the market. They'll have to buy Bitcoin from the market, from the people that are willing to sell. That is what can move the market up. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. But it's kind of slowed down right now. Bitcoin found an equilibrium around $96,000 at the moment. The moment it goes up, it got rejected. Once it goes down, it got supported. So we're kind of bouncing around this area of $96,000 right now. But we're gonna see some volatility coming soon, and I believe we're gonna go to the upside. Okay, so it's only a matter of time. So that's my update for you guys today. I hope you are doing okay and you are coping in this market. And the people who have balanced portfolio, people who have like Solana, Bitcoin, Radium, these some quality projects, they're doing okay. Those that have oversized small cap meme coins, they got completely wiped out in the last months and a half from the markets, right? A lot of these meme coins down 90%. So be it for you a lesson, maybe it's better slower building up the portfolio, more solid project than trying to get rich quick with meme coins and with small cap coins. Okay. So with that being said, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next episode.